Smart Math AI, your personal math coach. Do you find math tricky? Lots of students do. Things like fractions, multiplication, and solving problems can be tough. Sometimes it's hard to get help when you need it, and asking questions in class can be scary. Math is super important for lots of cool jobs in the future, like science, technology, and even finance. When math is hard, it can make you feel less confident. But if we can make learning math easier, everyone can do better in school and in life. We've created Smart Math AI, a smart learning assistant that understands math problems whether you write them down or say them out loud. It helps you when you make mistakes by giving you step-by-step instructions. It even changes the difficulty as you get better. Smart Math AI is great for students who are shy about asking questions. It lets you learn at your own speed so you don't feel rushed, and it helps you feel more confident and less frustrated with math. Imagine having your own personal math coach. Smart Math AI lets you take a photo or speak a math problem. It then solves it step by step, shows you where you're improving, and even makes learning fun with games. There's also a special mode for teachers to see where students are struggling. Smart Math AI uses cool technology. It can read the math problems you write or take a picture of. Then, it uses machine learning to figure out the steps to solve it and adapts to how you learn best. Ina used Smart Math AI and improved her math score from 40% to 85% in just 3 weeks. She focused on the mistakes she kept making, like mixing up her multiplication tables. You can use Smart Math AI anytime, anywhere. It gives